All right, guys. So in this video, I am showing you two surface cleaners. Right over here to my right, we have the big guy. It's a 28-inch surface cleaner. And then we have over here, which is the BE Whirlaway. It's a 16-inch surface cleaner. So if you do not already have a surface cleaner and you're new to power washing, this is going to be one of the biggest investments that you should make right out of the start to do a quality job when you're cleaning different surfaces like concrete. You can clean concrete with a wand. However, I find that using surface cleaners are more faster, they're more efficient, they clean a lot better, and they're just a better way to go. So, just want to talk to you about the different types of surface cleaners that I have. We have two of them here, right here in the shop. We actually use both, but the BE, which is the Whirlaway, which is really, really nice. I don't know if you can really see it. Okay. It's a really, really nice piece of equipment. Hang on here, I'll set it down on the ground so this way you can check it out. Really, really nice piece of equipment. It's lightweight. There's hardly any weight to it. When you flip it over, this is what the underside looks like. These are your two nozzles right here. And for you guys that do not know much about surface cleaners, how it works is when the pressure goes through here, the bar spins, so it cleans. And these nozzles that are on here, they're actually like a pressure washer nozzle tip. So it's got a fan on it. So as it spins, it's actually cleaning 16 inches at one time, which is really, really efficient. So if you do not already have one, I would suggest trying to get one or buying it. On this other one here, which is the big guy, we use these a lot. This is like the preferred surface cleaner. This is the one everybody wants to go to when you're on a job, just because it's 28 inches wide. So it cuts your cleaning time, in half. You're able to do more with this machine. Now, however, this machine, the big guy, it actually, it takes more water to run it. So like, we use this one for like our 8-gallon-a-minute machine. So if you had like a 4.5 gallon a minute or 5.5 gallon a minute, whatever, like a lower machine, you would want to use the BE 16, because that just your water volume is not as big, and that'll help you clean. So, and this one's this big guy here. Now they make these big guys with sorry, just give me 1 second. They make these big guys like I was showing you on the other one, where the big guy, this one, it has 4 nozzles on it, which is really, really cool. So it's got 2 on one side. So which makes it really, really nice. And you're able to use it, and it's just more efficient. So if you can see that. So you can get them with just 2 nozzles, but I got this one. I wanted the 4 nozzle bar, which is really, really nice. It's all aircraft aluminum, so extremely, extremely lightweight for this big guy. Very lightweight, just a very good machine. Easily you're able to roll it around and do whatever you want to do, whatever type surface you're doing. We do a lot of dumpster pads and stuff like that, so this big guy, man, it comes in handy, especially like if you're doing parking garages and so forth. You know, big concrete areas, you definitely want a big surface cleaner, something that you can get, you can knock some jobs out pretty efficient with. Like I said, not taking anything away from the B&E, it's extremely lightweight. It's made out of I think it's polyurethane. Yep. So it's made out of polyurethane. That's what the material feels like anyway. Not taking anything away from the B&E. Great machine. We've used them for a while, a few years actually, on like I said, smaller machines. So I hope this tip helps when you're in the market for looking for a surface cleaner. These two, like I said, are ones that we use. There are some other great products out there. Whisper Wash makes one kind of similar to this B&E. They're great. We've had those before. But like I said, the big guy is the go-to, especially if you have a bigger machine. Not really sure how far out they go. They might go all the way up to 12 gallons a minute. You'd have to check on that. But I do know they do 8 and 10. So like I said, these machines are awesome. So anyway, guys, I hope this helps. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try to get out as many videos as I can as far as tips and tricks and learning about power washing and pressure washing and training on you know, the different things of cleaning and how to clean, you know, roofs and etc. Please follow us on Instagram, Twitter, like us on Facebook, check our videos out. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, get that bell ringing when we post a video. And until next time, y'all stay safe and keep power washing.